Okay, late August and September, we have now a heat wave also coming. It's like a second spring. I'm not going to finish the growing season. We grow in the autumn and we grow and harvest in the winter also. So that's what I've done. I've ordered some seeds and I'm going to open them. These are from Chiltern Seeds. I noticed that CNCs, this kind of seeds that I want, they have a minimum purchase limit that is now £50. I didn't want to buy £50 of seeds because practically I don't need that much seed. So I noticed Chiltern sells the same seeds as the CN seeds, but in a smaller packets and cheaper, so you can just get it what you need. So I'm going now to open the package that I have ordered from them. Let us see what is inside. Okay, this is what I have, and I'm now going to remove the seeds from inside the package. Okay, so this is inside a bubble wrap, bubble jiffy bag, and oh, okay, this is now well packed again, another. Okay, let me just open this one with two hands. Okay, I've now changed also the position toward the window so we'll have more light. And I will open this to see what is inside. Okay. Excitement, let me see. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, there is a page which is written, oh, cultivation leaflet. It's a guide for cultivation. And oh, it says also how to do it in different countries, in Australia, South Africa, California. Oh, no, that's the name of the varieties. So what are the varieties? Anyway, this is a general guide, so I'm just going for the actual seed. This is the actual seed, salad leaves, European mesclun mix. Yeah, Lakuta sativa. I liked it because it had some of the better tasting salad lettuces and leaves. And can exactly tell what is it, as you just let me. Okay, the lettuce varieties are Little Gem, Tango, Red Batavia, Green Batavia, Cerbiata, and Red Salad Bell. I have red, I've not grown it. Maybe I've tasted it without knowing, but Red Batavia and Green Batavia lettuces have been called the most lettucey taste. They have the most lettucey taste of all, and they're kind of premium quality lettuce leaves. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to sow it today. The next pack is Flaming Brilliant Red Salad Leaves Mix. You know that we have all kind of salad leaves which can be green, and it's nice to have something red in among them just to add to the palette. So I've got this red salad leaves mix of Chiltern seeds called Flaming Brilliant. It includes amaranth, garnet red, beetroot leaf Olympia, Mizuna red baron, mustard fizzy wizzy, rocket dragon's tongue. Oh, never heard that a rocket can be red. Okay, pak choi red wizard. So all of them are red. So we will see how they will do. And the last one, which I like, this is something new for me, is parcel. Parcel, they say, is a kind of hybrid of parsley and celeriac. They look similar, they smell similar and taste. Celeriac can be a little bit tough, the leaves, and be used for a stem. This one can be used for leaf also. So it has the quality of that. So I'm going to now sow it also and see how it will do in our climate. Yep. 3 salad leaves to grow for autumn and winter.